Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we're going to review a product and show you how to test your battery, how to test your charging system, and how to check your cranking power as well with that device. Okay, now if you're a shop, guys, this device is amazing. And why is that? Because you have that Bluetooth print button that you can connect to your printer and you can print the receipt for your customer. Super simple, super convenient. This tool is pretty accurate. Okay, it's one of the most accurate ones on the market. That's what we found out from our research. Now, how you guys test your battery with it? It's super simple. All we have to do, you have to connect the negative black cable to the negative post, red cable to positive post. Okay, it will power up. Now it says that we have 12.5 volts. Okay, check it out now. 12.5. Now we will select enter. That's a 12 volt system. In vehicle test. Top post battery, regular. Code cranking amps. That's the one we use in the US. If it's a different part of the world, you can use different things. Now ours, right here it says 500. Okay, right here hopefully you can see it. 500 code cranking amps. So that's what we have the device set at. 500. We'll select enter. Now we please wait. Okay, battery temperature above 0 degrees Celsius. Because right now it's about 25 Celsius. Okay, now that's what we have in the car. 426 out of 500. So you can see, okay, 426 out of 500. You can check the other parameters here for somebody that knows that stuff better. Okay, and we have 12.47 volts. It says good, okay, good recharge for the battery. Now we didn't drive the car for too long, that's why. But it says good battery. Now I'm going to click, it says press enter to start the car. Okay, start engine now. So let's go ahead, start the engine without any load, which means no AC. Okay, no AC, no fan, nothing like that. Okay, and now we're going to click. Okay, you can see cranking normal, 11.8 volts. We click enter for charging test. Now we're checking for alternator output. You see how simple that is. Rev engine with loads off. So let's give it gas now. Okay. Engine rev detected. So we click enter again. Testing alternator at idle. So we just wait. Now we'll need to turn the high beams and the blower. Okay, inside the blower, the fan will need to be on all the way. High beams on. Okay, and let's go ahead and test the charging system now. Okay, we confirm. Okay. Now we give it gas again. Okay. Now we click enter. Now we need to turn off loads and engine. So we can go ahead, turn the engine off now and click enter. Okay, and that's what we have right now. No load, 14.67 volts, loaded 14.37. So everything is good, you see, no problems. I can scroll up and you see cranking normal. You can see all the parameters for the battery and the charging system of the vehicle. So that's definitely a very good tool, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and more videos to come. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.